exploring every type of grenade in just 3 minutes. In the world of modern warfare, grenades play a crucial role on the battlefield. Compact, yet devastating, these tools have evolved significantly, offering various types for different tactical situations. Let's explore them together. The most recognized type is the fragmentation grenade. Upon detonation, it unleashes a lethal radius of shrapnel, making it effective against enemy personnel. Its design is iconic, symbolizing the very essence of a grenade to many. Smoke grenades, on the other hand, serve a non-lethal purpose. Emitting a dense smoke upon ignition, they're used for signaling, concealing movements, or marking locations. Their versatility makes them indispensable for both military and rescue operations. Flashbangs, or stun grenades, produce an intense light and loud sound. The aim is to disorient and incapacitate without causing permanent harm. Primarily used in close-quarters combat, they give tactical teams a crucial advantage during raids. Incendiary grenades introduce fire to the equation. Filled with substances like white phosphorus, they ignite upon exposure to air, burning intensely. They're used to destroy equipment, clear vegetation, or create impassable barriers of flame. High-explosive Chi grenades pack a powerful punch. Designed to penetrate armor and fortifications, they're the go-to for destroying enemy vehicles or bunkers. Their explosive power is unmatched in the grenade family. Then there's the stun grenade, a less common variant designed to confuse and temporarily incapacitate opponents with a combination of sound and light without causing long-term injury, making it a humane option for crowd control. The impact grenade, a straightforward yet effective type, detonates upon impact with a surface. This immediate explosion eliminates the delay found in traditional pin-pulled grenades, offering no chance for enemies to react or retreat. The chemical grenade introduces a different kind of threat. Releasing toxic agents or irritants, they're used to flush enemies out of cover or incapacitate them. Due to their controversial nature, their use is heavily regulated. Training grenades are non-lethal replicas that simulate the weight and mechanics of their live counterparts. They're crucial for safely teaching handling, throwing techniques, and tactical applications to new soldiers. The anti-tank grenade, designed specifically to combat armored vehicles, carries a shaped charge that focuses the explosion to penetrate thick armor. They're a testament to ingenuity in overcoming technological advancements in warfare. Sticky grenades with an adhesive exterior were an innovative solution, allowing soldiers to attach them to vehicles or structures. Though not widely used today, they played a significant role in past conflicts. As we've seen, grenades come in various forms, each designed with a specific purpose in mind. From the battlefield to training grounds, their impact is undeniable. Understanding their differences is key to appreciating their role in modern warfare.